Listen to what I just said. 22 winning trades, 1 losing trade. These are 2 trades that I took. Hello traders, today is Friday, November 8th. I'm going to show you something incredible with the Sonic trading system. We're talking 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 successful trades pretty much in a row. I'm going to go over them one by one. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. A lot of traders want to trade the Asia Open or the Asia session, London, the US, but what about the Friday afternoon or Friday as we get into the end of the day? Can we trade the Sonic system? Is it possible to trade on a Friday afternoon? Let me show you what happened here after 12 o'clock, 12:30 New York time. We have a short here. This is a winning trade followed by another trade. This one is a long trade, also hit the target. We have another trade here, long, also hit the target. Another trade here, long, that hit the target. This so far is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. This hit the target, so we're at the 6 trades. This is the 7th trade here, long, hit the target, didn't hit the stop. 8, 9, 10, 11 trades in a row, 12 trades in a row, 13, 14, 15, 16 trades in a row, and finally we have a loser. 16 trades in a row and 1 loser, followed by 17 to go short, 18 winner to go short, 19, 20, 21, and 22. 22 trades, 1 losing trade. These are 2 trades that I took. As I turned on the computer here, I usually don't trade in the afternoon. I saw an opportunity. I went short. Let me show you what that looks like. All right, so here we are just before I place those 2 trades as Friday comes to an end here. It's about 3, 4 o'clock. And the one thing I'm going to tell you is that when you have a strong trend, you have signals always going in the same direction. So how many short signals do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. So I turned on the computer, came back from lunch, and I saw here another short trade. Now, if you think about the best way to enter into a trade like this is letting it retrace a bit so the risk to reward ratio makes more sense. If I entered right at 60.2250, the stop is much larger and the target is smaller. So what I did was I waited for it to come back a little bit so the risk to reward ratio, in case this trade failed, I would be losing less. These are things that we teach. This is price action. We focus on trade management. And for some of you, you may already know this because you're part of DayTradeToWin, but if you're not and you're starting off learning how to day trade, remember where you enter is just as important as where you exit, and you take the stops and the targets, because where you enter dictates whether the trade you lose more or you make more. So since I saw the signal, I saw the opportunity for it to retrace. It just happened to go in my favor, took the trade, and now I'm short 60.2350. It's not really that much. We're talking about a point better. So whatever you can take, which is a better price, a better entry, always try for it. So I don't want to stay into this trade for, like I said, half hour, an hour, way too long, especially as we end the day. I want to see it go immediately in my favor. It is. It's just one contract. We're talking $80, $100, whatever it is. It's just enough to take a quick trade and finished out of the trade. So what did I see? The Sonic system gave me multiple signals to enter short. I took the short trade. I got it in a better price, just a point better. I used limit orders. I saw the stop and the target were manageable and reasonable. Let me add the data series and then the text and marker. This is how we add the actual signals to plot on the chart. I usually have them off because it clutters the chart, but just to show you where I entered and the exit. So I'm just following the system. Now you're going to see that there's still a buy stop up there because I didn't use any type of automation. I did everything manual. I entered manually with a limit order. I placed a stop order and I placed a target. I did everything manually without any type of automation or ATM strategy. So you can trade this manually like I did, or you can semi-automate it where you enter into the trade and automatically places the targets and the stops for you. So again, I saw a signal. I'm just going short. Right? I want to be done with this. Just another trade here right as Friday ends. I don't want to hang on to this. I could have gotten a better price if I would have been a little bit more patient, but I wasn't patient on this trade. I just took the signal that the Sonic gave me, 60-21.50. I got exactly 60-21.50. Again, I just took the exact signal that the Sonic gave me. Didn't even try for a better price. I've had a ton of trades already today. Too many, I think, in my opinion. So I'm up for the day. I don't have to worry too much about this being a loser. And it's going right in my favor, which I love to see because time is so important when it comes to price action. Okay, out. I'm done. Friday, awesome day today trading, whether it be the long side or short side. If you're interested in the Sonic trading system, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. And if you don't have a free member account, what are you waiting for? Get a free member account at DayTradeToWin. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.